everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Imagine walking through a supermarket, SL or browsing an online food store. Every packaged snack, beverage or dairy product promises safety, quality and reliability. But how can we be sure? This is where FSSAI and BIS comes in. FSSAI ensures that the food you eat is safe, hygienic and correctly labeled, while BIS ensures that the products meet technical and quality standards. Together, they create a robust framework for food safety in India, protecting consumers and boosting trust in Indian products. Now, what is FSSAI? The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is a statutory body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Its main role is to regulate and monitor food safety, ensuring that food businesses comply with hygiene, labeling, and safety standards. Licensing and registration, regular inspections, and enforcement of food safety laws are key responsibilities. For example, a biscuit manufacturer requires FSSAI approval to legally sell its product, ensuring that ingredients, shelf life, and labeling meet the required standards. Simply put, FSSAI acts as the law enforcer for food safety. Now, what is BIS? The Bureau of Indian Standards focuses on technical standards and quality assurance. It sets benchmarks for composition, packaging, labeling, and safety of food products. BIS certifications such as ISI marks for packaged foods, edible oils, dairy products, and beverages ensures that the products are high quality and reliable. For instance, a dairy company using BIS certified processing equipment guarantees hygienic milk processing, improving both safety and consumer trust. BIS serves as the quality coach, ensuring products are not only safe but also meet technical excellence. FSSAI versus BIS. Understanding the difference. While FSSAI and BIS often work together, they serve different purposes. FSSAI is a regulatory authority focused on food safety, hygiene, and legal compliance. BIS is a standards organization focused on technical quality, product reliability, and benchmarking. FSSAI compliance is mandatory for food businesses, whereas BIS certification is voluntary but highly beneficial for credibility and market acceptance. Think of it this way. FSSAI ensures the food is safe to eat, while BIS ensures it is high quality, reliable, and competitive. How FSSAI and BIS complement each other. Many food businesses in India comply with both FSSAI and BIS standards to ensure comprehensive safety and quality. FSSAI ensures legal compliance through licenses and inspections, while BIS provides technical validation for product quality and reliability. For example, a chocolate manufacturer may need FSSAI approval to sell, but BIS certification guarantees that ingredients, shelf life, and packaging meet international standards, enhancing consumer trust and export potential. Now, the importance for consumers and businesses. For consumers, understanding the difference between FSSAI and BIS helps in making informed food choices. BIS certified products often meet global standards, ensuring safety and reliability. For businesses, compliance with both FSSAI and BIS enhances market credibility, reduces risk, and increases competitiveness in domestic and international markets. Together, these standards form a strong backbone for India's food safety ecosystem, protecting consumers and empowering manufacturers to deliver high-quality products. The power of combined food standards. The next time you check a packaged food item, look for FSSAI and BIS marks. FSSAI ensures that the product is safe to consume, while BIS ensures it is technically sound and trustworthy. Together, they represent the future of safe, high-quality, and globally competitive Indian food products, making India a leader in food safety and quality standards. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.